We envision Pampanga as competitive province that is effective, transparent, and responsive, duly government and managed by competent and commitment human resource, workplace love and respect to the environment region in the heart of Kapampangan. The provincial government of Pampanga adheres to uphold effective and comprehensive delivery of social service role model in terms of good governance, environment, protection, promotion of culture, peace, and catalytic of change, taught that sustainable trade and investment, quality, and affordable education, ability of need infrastructures, and public utilities were in public officials, private centers, and the Kapampangan are partners and commit to the principles of common unity, love of country, and dedicated service God Almighty.